Divisional patent applications, protecting split inventions in the face of unity issues. When an invention contains multiple distinct concepts, how do you ensure every part gets the protection it deserves? The challenge often lies in overcoming, quote, unity of invention issues raised by patent examiners. Divisionals provide a crucial solution, allowing you to split a single application into multiple ones to secure full protection. First, let's understand the core concept. What exactly is unity of invention? Unity of invention requires that all claims in a single application relate to a single general inventive concept. If the examiner finds more than one invention, they issue a restriction requirement, forcing you to choose one set of claims to prosecute. So how does a divisional patent application help when faced with this choice? A divisional application is filed to pursue those non-elected inventions that were restricted out of the original, or parent, application. Crucially, a divisional application maintains the benefit of the parent application's original filing date, preserving priority. Understanding the strategic value of divisionals is essential for a comprehensive patent strategy. They are used to protect claims that the examiner deemed separate, but which are nonetheless critical to your overall invention. Divisionals allow for independent examination and grant, ensuring each distinct invention proceeds separately. Let's summarize the key points regarding divisional patent applications. Divisional patents are vital for securing full protection for every inventive concept, particularly when facing unity objections, all while preserving your original priority date. Be proactive with your patent strategy to ensure no valuable part of your invention is left unprotected.